Hi everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I am going to do a scrapbooking page. So last week, I think it was beginning of the week, I don't know, I showed a photo of my little grandson who has started school, and I thought I need to scrapbook this page. So this photo. So I've got a little album that I've done one page in this, and that's of my granddaughter's at Halloween. So I thought I would do another small page in this book of Spencer at school. So this book is 8 by 8, a standard scrapbooking pages. 12 by 12, but I like the size of this one, so that's what we're going to do. I downloaded a page maps template, and what it is, it's just inspiration for doing layouts. So I'm going to do this one down here, one, because it's one photo and it's 4 by 6 and it's portrait. So I'm going to use that as my inspiration. So that's that. And then I got a scrapbooking school days kit. I'm going to move that out of the way. From work. So I thought I would use this as well, and so it's got stickers and a few ideas and the papers. So I'll show you through it. It's quite muted, the colours, and they match his uniform colours, so that's dark green and like a forest green and yellow. So you get two of each sheet. I've already had a look through them, and I'll maybe use some of those tags. I'll pull that out, and then the gingham, I like that. And then, what else have I got? Oh, the books, I think that's a bit busy. And school bags. And then those are the stickers. So, I'll use the stickers. And what I was thinking, because on this page map there's a border around the outside, and then the main part is white, so I was just going to use the back of this as my white page. So let's get all those out of the way, and I don't need that for now. And then out of another pack I pulled this yellow gingham. Yeah. And I thought I could use that because that matches with what I've got. So let's put that over there. Now my album is 8 by 8, so which one? I don't know what to use for the background. I think it was this one. Okay. If it's 8 by 8, then this will need to be just smaller than 8 by 8. So if we do it, what are we going to do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I do 7 3/4 by 7 3/4, And I've got my paper cutting rotary cutter. Okay. 7 3/4 that way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3/4. Okay. I'll probably have to crop my photo a little bit because it's going to be too big, I think. Right, where's our book? That. Oh, so it must be bigger. Is it 9 by 9? It says 8 by 8. Oh, I did 6 3/4, you ding dong. Okay. I need that extra inch, I think. Right, let's do another piece. What are they? I don't know. Let's try that again, shall we? Seven 3/4, not 6. But it's okay. We will reuse all these bits in another project. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3/4. Right, let's try that again. That's still off. What is going on? So that's 7 3/4, and that's 7 3/4. So the page must be a bit off that way. Okay, so let's cut a bit of that off. Oh, so it's okay. It's 8 inches from inside the quill. Okay. So we will take about nearly half an inch off. Whoops. Okay. Right. So that makes that piece not quite square, but that's okay. There we go. Now, the next piece on the map is the white. That's not going to stay there, stay there. Okay, so if we're going to do the white, it's got to be Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a quarter. So if we make that 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if it's too big, I can trim it down a bit more. Okay. Now, so that's that way, perfect. And then this way. This way it will have to be about maybe about there. That's right. So just pull that one out. Okay, there's those 2 layers. Yep. Now I've got the photo. I'll go there. I might trim that border off, and then we need a big matted piece. So it looks like it's an inch bigger than the photo, which I was going to use in this one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's an inch bigger than the photo, so that's 5. Nearly did it again. That one, and then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get all these layers. That I think might be too big. It is a bit big. Okay, so maybe we'll take half an inch off and see how that goes. Take half an inch off the top and the bottom, the side and the top. Okay, that's better there. Yeah, that's better. But I might do I want to take that white border off? I don't know. No, I don't think I will. Will I? No, I'll leave it on there. Okay. That's that. And then don't want to glue anything down yet because there might be other elements I need to add. So we can scoot that, doesn't have to be in the centre. Move that over a bit and that there. Where do those cut parts go? Do your best. Have an awesome day. Time for school. Always be curious. Always. Now there's one on here I liked. The sticker. First day of school. Definitely want to use that. That'll be the title. So that's going to be, I need a big circle. Okay, need to find a big circle. I do have, I can use my die cutting machine. Okay, so I stopped filming and carried on because it was going to take forever, and I didn't film the rest of the process, but here's my completed page, and I put little brads up in the corner. I stapled on some ribbon, did my little bit of journaling, added some twine that came in the kit and the sticker, and it's all done. So that can go into my album now, and yeah, I really enjoyed that. I forgot how much of a mess card making and scrapbooking makes. I mean, so do all of our crafts, but so I'm going to head off now and clean up this mess and do something else. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.